Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you this very easy Rakhi makeup look that you can definitely recreate on yourself. It's a complete pink monochromatic look that's going to pair up really well with most of your outfits. At the same time, going to look really gorgeous on Indian skin tones. I have used mostly some basic drugstore makeup products to create this look. Hope you will like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So I'm going to start on doing my eyebrows at first. So the product which I basically use on an everyday basis is this one by Faces Canada. So this is my staple eyebrow pencil, guys. It is a brow defining pencil in number 01 called Tan. So it is an eyebrow pencil which is very pigmented. At the same time, it's having that perfect consistency of waxiness with a little bit of creaminess, which helps in just outlining your brows so well. At the same time, you can use this product to fill in the gaps that you have in your eyebrows. And you can see the shade Tan goes so well on my skin tone. It matches my darker hair really well. So this is just like a pomade in the form of pencil, and you can easily distribute the product with the help of the spoolie it comes with. So it is, I think, a must-have product for all the beginners out there. Now, in order to make your eyebrows stay really strong, so you just need an eyebrow gel for this purpose, for which I am using this one by Blue Heaven. It is a setting gel which you can definitely use on top of your brow product to set your eyebrows. At the same time, it also adds that volume and bushiness to your brows, which looks so beautiful. So this is the Colorbar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil, which I would say it's not exactly an oil. It is more of a very hydrating kind of water-based primer, very liquidy in texture. At the same time, it has got a little bit of oiliness, but not completely oiliness. I would say it's more of a very hydrating kind of moisturizing product that you can use as your primer on your face. So you guys know I don't like blurring filling primers. I basically prefer hydrating products on my face, for which this is the product that I'm currently enjoying a lot. It helps in making my skin remain so glowy and hydrated over a period of time. At the same time, it has got a little bit of tackiness, which helps in sticking my foundation so well. So this also helps in making your foundation stay on your face for a really long time. Now it's time to move on to the foundation, for which I'm using my old favorite. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna mix two shades which I basically use, 228 soft tan and 332 golden caramel. Mixing these two shades gives me my perfect skin tone, which looks so natural. At the same time, adds beautiful coverage to my skin. So you can see I'm mixing both the shades and applying it with the help of my fingertips on my face, and I'm gonna blend this out with the help of my beauty blender. You can definitely use your brush. You can use any foundation which is a little bit long wearing for Rakhi makeup look, because you'll be out for a while and you just need your makeup to stay really strong on your face. So the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline is something which is going to give you medium coverage. It's gonna make your skin look even out, and if you layer it on, it's gonna make your makeup really full coverage. But I would say keep it on medium coverage, and it's really going to look beautiful on your skin. So you can see these two shades work so well on my skin tone. It helps in adding that even out coverage on my skin, helps in hiding my imperfections so well, and it's matte but not unhealthy looking, overly drying matte. For the concealer today, I'm using another product which is a heavy coverage product, but I'll be using a little bit of this. This one is by PAC. It is her full coverage Studio HD concealer, the concealer which comes in pot. And with the help of my fingertips, I'm gonna directly apply it on the areas where I need a little bit of coverage but not extra coverage, using this particular concealer brush, which is, I think, the best concealer brush that I have used till date. I'm gonna blend out this product, and you can see it's extremely creamy, but it's not cakey. So once you blend it out, it's gonna completely meshed into the skin, and it's gonna cover your imperfections without being cakey. But if you layer it on a number of times, surely it will crease and it will look really unflattering on your face. Now I'm gonna use a cream blush. This one is by Makeup Revolution. It is the shade called Flushing For You, which is a beautiful, like a warm peachy pink blush. I love this particular range by Makeup Revolution because it's so pigmented. It glides on my face so well. So I'm directly using my fingertips at first to blend this out. Now I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to blend it even more. So you can see this is the pigmentation, and this is how the first layer of the product looks on my face. I'm gonna build it up one more time to see how it actually builds up on the skin, because I really like that pink looking cheeks, guys. And for any kind of special occasions that you're gonna attain during the daytime, you just need that flush of color on your cheeks, which I think this product gives. It's not gonna disrupt the foundation underneath this, but it's gonna look beautiful on the cheeks. Now just for a little bit of setting my concealer, I'm using this particular compact by Kiro Beauty. It is her Botanico compact and I use the shade 05, and I'm going to use this PAC Pizza Puff for the application of product. I'm not going to use a lot, guys. As I have mentioned today, I'm mostly using a lot of cream based makeup products, so I'm just setting my under eyes. As you can see, it makes a lot of difference. It helps in setting your concealer so that your concealer won't budge. For the bronzer today, this is I think the only high-end product that I'm using in this particular video. It is by Huda Beauty. It is her Glowish bronzer, the mini one, which is in the shade Deep, and I'm in love with this product, guys. It is so gorgeous looking on the skin. It is just a perfect mixture of cool tone brown with a hint of rose gold pink, which gives such beautiful like warmth on the outer perimeter of your face. Perfect for Indian skin tones. If you're searching for a very good high-end bronzer with which you can bronze up your skin at the same time contour your face, this product is for you, guys. And it's extremely pigmented, at the same time finely milled, smooth texture without being cakey. This is a product which adds a lot of dimension to your skin, guys. It is by Mars. It is her Spectra Glow Highlighter in the shade Champagne, and this is such a gorgeous highlighter that you can definitely wear during daytime, and it's not gonna look chunky, silvery. It's not gonna look like shimmery on the face. So I'm using just a little bit of this on the highest points of my face, as you can see, and it is having such a beautiful wet finish. You can see it is giving me that wet look on the skin. Not gonna apply a lot more. You can see less is always more with this kind of highlighters when you are using cream based highlighter, and I really love it, guys. Using my damp beauty sponge, I'm just blending it even more to make it look completely meshed into the skin. And I absolutely love today's base makeup, guys. The blush, the highlighter, the bronzer, the foundation, everything looks so seamless. Now this is the product that I am completely obsessed with. It is the Wearified blush in Camellia Rose. I love it. This is such a pretty blush, guys. The perfect pink for Indian skin tones. It is a medium pink which has got coral undertone, but it looks so beautiful. So I'm just applying it on top of my cream blush because I want that monochromatic pink hues on my face. So that's why I'm applying it, and it's looking beautiful on the face, guys. It's looking really gorgeous with the outfit that I have worn today. Now I'm going to use this blush for some other purpose as well. So I'm using this particular blush on my eyelid as my eyeshadow. So you can see you can just use some basic makeup products that you already have in your collection to create this look. This blush works so beautifully as an eyeshadow, guys. It is adding that beautiful pink hues on my eyelid. So wearable, going to look beautiful on Indian skin tones. If you belong to tan dusky skin tone category, this shade is gonna show up on your skin. It is finely milled, not having fallouts on the face. Using a blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges. As you can see, just have applied that blush on my eyelid and blending out the edges so that everything looks seamless and there is no harsh edges. Now I'm going to use a kajal to tightline my upper waterline because that adds a lot of volume to the roots of your lashes. So you can see the difference. So you can tightline your waterline using any kajal you have, and that's gonna add beautiful volume to your density to your lashes. And now I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeliners of all time. It is the Huda Beauty eyeliner, her felt tip pen eyeliner, which is jet black. It's not having completely matte finish. It is having like a soft matte satin matte finish, but it's so pigmented, not at all drying flaky on the eyes. And with this particular eyeliner, you can just create such beautiful winged eyeliner, guys. Today I'm not going crazy with my eyeliner. I'm not just drawing a very huge winged eyeliner, but a small little wing will add such nice glamour to your look, yet looks so cute, so pretty. And I think this is a kind of look that's gonna work for all guys. Even if you are just a teenage girl or a grown-up lady, this kind of look looks so beautiful. It's so versatile and it will be pairing up really well with most of your outfits. Absolutely love it. For the mascara today, I'm using Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is having this kind of wand. It's a flexible wand guys, which helps in coating each and every lash you have. It adds a little bit of volume to the roots of your lashes, not extremely voluminous, but it adds a lot of length to your lashes. And with this particular mascara, you can definitely coat your lower lashes so well guys. And it's jet black, very pigmented. The only downside of this product is that, according to me, is that it's a really stubborn mascara. So you just need a full-on very heavy duty makeup remover to get rid of this mascara guys. Otherwise it's super duper long wearing and it looks so beautiful on its own. I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter on my pencil brush and gonna apply it just on the inner corner of my eyes to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I'm not gonna highlight my brow bone today because I just want this look to be very wearable, at the same time so easy to carry out. So today I've used a very sleek, very natural looking lashes, and this is how the eyes are looking guys. Extremely wearable, but I absolutely love it. It's so soft, so beautiful. For the lipstick today, I am using this KAJAL Los Angeles soft matte lipstick in the shade Sunkissed, the shade which you guys definitely need to check out. This is very affordable. I think its price rupees around 260 bucks or something like that, but it's so pigmented. The formulation is so beautiful, as you can see, so pigmented, having that creaminess, but once it settles down, it's gonna be like a soft matte lipstick on your lips, not completely transfer proof, not completely 100% matte, but it's very comfortable to wear. You're not gonna feel dryness on your lips, and this shade is just the perfect, like a beautiful sweet coralish pink for Indian skin tones. Highly recommend you guys to grab it. Now to seal in everything, I'm using the Seal the Deal makeup fixer by Mars, which has got such a beautiful fragrance. It sets your makeup and adds a beautiful glow to your overall makeup look guys. Adding my all-time favorite black bindi with my Indian outfit, and these are the pair of jhumkis which I picked up from Embellished, which matches my outfit so well guys. And this is how the final makeup look turned out. Absolutely love this to bits. So that's all guys. This is how I have created this year's Rakhi makeup look. It's so wearable, at the same time so easy to recreate. Definitely you can change the lip color according to your preference. You can definitely use a nude lip for this look as well, but pink looks so sweet, so soft, so feminine. We'll see you soon in my next video guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.